Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, we're drying things out after what was a pretty sloppy morning across parts of West Michigan. Snow showers made for a slow drive in for some folks, especially near north of Grand Rapids. Here's a live look at Kalamazoo. During this noon hour, you can see cloudy skies. Flags certainly moving around quite a bit. It is a breezy day out there. Winds out of the east. Here's a live view at Allendale, Grand Valley's campus. Same thing. Pavement is dry. But the clouds are around. Here's a view at Storm Track Live. Low pressure system moving through southern Michigan. You can see the warm front situated just south of I-96, kicking off some rain showers just south of that front. And a bit of a closer view shows that we really don't have much on the way, so any precipitation that we get is going to be forming. And notice that it's trying to build its way north. We're now starting to see some rain showers just east of Kalamazoo. Kalamazoo, you're going to be picking up on this here within the next half hour or so. And some more showers are possible, especially near and south of I-96 through this afternoon. 38 in Grand Rapids, 39 in Allegan and Hastings, up to 45 in Kalamazoo and South Haven down by that warm front. We're tracking occasional rain showers today, again, especially south of town. Some light snow showers are possible overnight as moisture wraps around on the backside of this low. Looking at quiet weather midweek, sunshine for tomorrow with snow potentially returning to the picture for us by Friday. Futurecast, we'll start this off at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Notice the possibility of some showers, a few rumbles of thunder. Again, best chance going to be south of I-96. Some more showers are possible beginning mid-evening, continuing through overnight. We could be looking at a few slick spots by early tomorrow morning, especially for areas north of I-96. But by the time we get to 4 o'clock, close to that morning rush, a lot of the precipitation will be out of here. Cloud cover not far behind. We could break out into full sunshine through a good portion of the day tomorrow. So it's going to be a really nice day before those clouds roll back in for us for Wednesday. Additional precipitation amounts look heaviest down towards I-94. Could see an additional 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Some folks up towards Grand Rapids may not see any precipitation, especially right along the lakeshore. Additional snow, potentially on the order of a 1/2 inch to inch again, or depends on where that wraparound snow ends up overnight tonight. Again, it's breezy. Winds out of the east, steady at 18 miles per hour in Grand Rapids. Wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour in spots. That wind should be relaxing a bit as we head through the rest of the afternoon and evening. We do have to watch the potential for another system on Friday that could bring accumulating snow. Stay tuned. We're going to take it one day at a time, but just know that the possibility is there for some impacts to travel later in the week. Your hourly planner shows the possibility of some showers through the afternoon as temperatures warm into the low 40s. Again, best chance of rain showers near and south of Grand Rapids. Your 8-day forecast shows temperatures up into the mid-40s again tomorrow. That's with a lot of sunshine. In fact, I almost put sunny. I don't know if we'll see much in the way of cloud cover here in Grand Rapids. Cloud cover does fill in a little bit for us towards the middle of the week, and then we see the snow chances return. So at least we get a break in between every system, right?
Yes, but it's very slow for you guys and then very busy.
Yeah, that comes in waves, but the sunshine certainly makes a big difference. Helps us kind of forget about the last one.
Yeah, it's the roller coaster.
That's right.
Thanks, Blake.